Indian Plumbing Association (IPA), India's one and only body of plumbing professionals that is continuously working on the mission of redefining plumbing standards in India. Plumbing is directly related to human health. Plumbing is one of the foundations of a happy life and a big step towards a healthy society. Since its inception, IPA is striving to create awareness on the role of good plumbing systems by doing activities in different parts of India and also organizing conferences, seminars and events periodically to create awareness amongst the stakeholders and also educate how bad plumbing directly affects our lives. Plumbing is not just a terminology but a complete system of providing safe water at adequate pressure and quantities at desired locations and carrying away the waste matter in a hygienic way. As the rapid growth of infrastructure in India, development of commercial and residential buildings to high-rise buildings where plumbing plays a significant role and proper designs and installations of plumbing are vital to the building life as well as life of people. Figures unveils how plumbing in high-rise buildings gave birth to a pernicious disease called SARS in the year 2002-2003 in southern China, where more than 4,000 people died due to the negligence of plumbing installations. Did you know that foul-smelling water and contaminated water is not only a single problem of bad plumbing, but leaked water and foul gases due to faulty plumbing can make you sick, irritation in the eyes, sight loss, paralysis in the sense of smell, loss of breathing, and respiratory depression are common. Indian Plumbing Association is organizing its 23rd Indian Plumbing Conference with a central theme of Intricacies in Plumbing Designs for High-Rise Buildings, which is going to be held on the 22nd and 23rd of September 2017 at Chennai Trade Center, Chennai, after a gap of 14 years. Good plumbing design materials are available. They are cheap, simple and effective. For every single rupee you invest in water and sanitation, an average of 10 rupees is saved in medicine or medical treatment for better health and productivity. Good plumbing is one of the important foundations of our life. Let us pledge to make everyone aware and educate for a better, healthier, longer and happier life. Indian Plumbing Association cordially welcomes your active participation and support to make this event a grand success.